Glory to Jesus and Mary. In case you are not aware, there is right now a worldwide campaign of the Rosary. And the intention for that Rosary campaign is to pray for the election of a holy Pope in the Catholic Church. A Pope who will restore the traditions of the Church and traditional Mass. A Pope who will clarify the confusions surrounding the Catholic doctrine, especially in the areas of marriage, of human sexuality, of family life, and of conception and birth. All these areas need to be clarified, and we need a good Pope who will do that. We're also praying for a Pope who will give good example in word and in speech and in actions and decisions that will help to propagate the Catholic faith and to bring many more people into the church and bring those who have left to come back so that the church may increase in numbers. We are campaigning for 1,000 rosaries all over the world. And 1 million roses, 1 million roses all over the world. And we want you to be a part of that 1 million rosary campaign. So you write, you pray your rosary and write down this. You score the number of the rosary you pray. And in another short, one video, I will tell you the websites you're going to send your figures and score to, so it can be computed and used as a spiritual bouquet. Also, we also want to celebrate 1 million masses, preferably Latin masses, for this intention too. So if you are not a priest, you can attend mass for the intention. The intention is for a holy Pope. So have that intention in your heart, your rosary and attending of mass, as much as you can to the tune of 1 million. You may not be able to do 1 million times as an individual, but you can do 20, 30, 40. You can contribute to your quota. And may God give us a holy Pope in the Catholic Church.